If you're running a business where you need to train your employees and you need to verify that they went through that training for compliance purposes, then this video is for you. For most companies, when it comes to training employees, creating the content that trains those employees is not the problem. Having a platform that allows you to verify compliance and to keep track of all of the training for all of your employees, it's actually what's most important. So this video is for business owners, HR individuals, L&D, and other compliance professionals who are looking for just such a platform. And with this platform today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can centralize your training, launch it quickly, and verify compliance and completion rates at the same time without creating a massive headache or going back and forth through email or trying to figure out who did what. We're going to take a look at their library because they have a lot of pre-made training material there. I'm going to show you how to edit it to fit your company and your culture and upload your content. I'm going to show you how to set up notifications so that you stay on top of everything. And I'm also going to show you how to white label this platform so that it matches your company's branding. The major problem with most companies is that they are juggling scattered PDFs, handbooks, and all of the types of documentation when it comes to training their employees. And they don't have a centralized place for people to sit down and go through the training material. And they also don't have a way to track who's gone through what and to verify that they've actually gone through it so that they can meet the compliance reports that they need to file for their company. Anyone who's been in a management position or a business owner for a while knows that that is the perfect recipe for confusion, for chaos, and for bad leadership. Because you don't know who knows what, you don't know who's been trained up, and it just creates all kinds of problems that we don't have time to get into. At the end of the day, no one wants to be chasing after employees to ask them if they've completed their training. You want a system, a platform that allows you to quickly look and know if a person has completed their training so that you know what you can expect from them. And if they do need some encouragement or help, then you know you can provide it, and that's going to help increase your leadership skills. The platform I want to talk to you about today is ProProfs Training Maker. So let's log in right here and take a look at this platform. This platform brings the entire workflow for training your employees from the very first day to the day of completion into one single platform, not only for their experience, but also for you as a business owner, an HR professional, or a compliance professional. The first thing that stands out when you log in is that there is a ready-to-use course library that you can open up and get started with so that the work is already set up for you to speed up your lunch time. And if we open one of these courses and we click on this icon in the top right, you can see that there is a ProProfs AI that will help you edit and build out your own unique training materials for your company. But you'll also notice that there are reports, there are announcements, instructors, folders, learning paths. There's a library, ready to use courses, automations, gamification, training calendar, and so much more that you can do with this platform that I'm about to show you in just a moment. It truly is a one-stop shop for training your employees. So let's say that I hire a couple of employees and I want to train them on the basics of digital marketing. I might take this digital marketing course right here and click on edit. And then this is going to give me a template that I can start with. Depending on what type of company you own and the industry that you're in, you're going to have different requirements and compliance features. Depending on your company's industry, they're going to be different requirements or compliances that you need to meet. It can be something from OSHA to ServSafe. So for this video, we're going to use something simple and basics such as employee onboarding. That's a training that almost every company needs, and they have a template for it. So we're just going to click on edit. And once we're inside of the course, we can come here and click edit cover. And this is going to allow us to actually come inside here, and we can edit the title if we want to make it something more in line with personal company. And if we don't want to edit right there on the screen, we can come right here to the left and we can change the cover image. We can change the title, the course subtitle, the description. We can change the text that's on the button. We can even upload a banner thumbnail right here so that the title for this is completely customized to the training that we want to provide. And again, they've also made it extremely easy for you to edit and upload your own content. So you can edit this content right here simply by clicking on the screen. Or if you want to simply start fresh with a brand new chapter, then you can come right here and you can add a chapter, a page, you can add a quiz, a survey, a flashcard, a resource that they can download so you can upload a PDF, or you can add SCORM, API upload, assignments, or games. And if I click on the resource, it's going to open up If I click on add resource, then I can upload a resource like the employee handbook that they can download and read on their own time. Or if I want to, I could add a quiz right here. I can choose an existing quiz, or I can create a brand new quiz, and they have an entire quiz maker that they help you build right here. And ProProfs AI will build the quiz with you. So you can tell it, this is what I want to quiz them on, drop the information in there, and it will generate the quiz for you. Then all you have to do is come back to your course page, choose an existing quiz, and then select that quiz, and it will be installed inside of that particular course. And if for any reason you don't like something that you added, it's so easy to take it out. All you have to do is click on the 3 dots next to it and then click on delete, click yes, and it's gone just like that. So now that we've looked at how easy it is to actually upload the content that you already have and to set up your training materials quickly for employee onboarding or any other training materials that you want to launch, let me show you how you can actually set up automations to get things done very quickly. If we want to automate and set things up so that we can easily keep track of it without chasing people down, then all we want to do is, while we're inside of a course, is click on the settings option. And once we're in here, we can choose to drip this course out. And while we're inside of the general settings, we can set up a number of attempts allowed. We can upload our company logo. We can set up due dates and reminders, and we can even set up compliance reminders. We can drip the course, we can set up security features, and we can set up notifications so that we get an email when someone takes the course, or we get an email notification for every attempt on this course. We can also set up notifications to the learners. But if we come all the way down to the advanced settings, we'll see that there's even further customization that we can make to the notifications that we receive about this course. We can autoplay videos. We can choose where the table of contents is. We can allow skipping of pages or not allow skipping of pages if we want to make sure they go through everything. We want to auto log out on inactivity after so much time, just in case people turn the video on and then walk away and they're working, but they're not actually doing the training, and we want to make certain that they stay there. We can change it to 30 seconds. You can make this seconds, minutes, whatever you feel comfortable with. You can hide chapters, disallow skipping quizzes. You can disallow skipping surveys. You can require a minimum amount of time on the page. You can also set up a minimum amount of time to complete the course. You can also enable voice reading in case people want to listen to it instead of reading it. You can even allow learners to choose the language that they want to learn in. And whenever you need to verify that an employee has gone through your training and meets compliance requirements for your particular industry, then all you have to do is come to this page where you first edit the course and click on reports. And here you're going to see a start date, first, last name, email, time taken, completion percentage, job responsibilities quiz, or other quizzes that you've set up, completion date, certificates, and notes, if any. This is all of the information that you need, and you can even choose which columns to show or not show, as well as sort it by all time, today, yesterday, this year, or the last 7 days. You can download it. You can even share this information. There are also stats, and then there's the quiz and survey stats as well. If we come back to settings and we scroll to the bottom right here, you can see that you can upload your logo right here. And instead of having this particular logo, you can just choose to upload your own, and it's going to give you the opportunity to upload your logo and completely brand this platform to look like your company. And if we want to further customize the platform and we come down to the theme tab within settings, then you'll see that you can actually change the chapters, you can change the basic colors, you can change the user theme, and you can change the logo from this area. They give you full control over the platform so that you can make it look the way that you want to make it look. Once again, we come back here to the basic layout of editing the course or the training material, and you can change the layout type. And you can even change the media so that you can have a library of videos that they have. You can go to Google and upload material from here. Or if you have videos, you can use their library of videos, or you could provide a YouTube link for videos that you're hosting on YouTube, or you can upload your own videos or embed them, or you can upload them to the platform and host them natively. So if you're worried about the technical side, don't. If you can upload a file and click assign, then this is something that's easy for you to do. And if you're worried about completion rates, then due dates and reminders will help people meet those completion rates, as well as the ability to make sure they're not cheating and leaving the video playing while they're not watching, because you really want them to understand this important onboarding information for their safety and for others. Most companies don't need more training content. They just need training content with a platform that actually incentivizes their employees to finish. You can set it all up by customizing email notifications. You can send out certificates when they're done. You can monitor who's completing the course in real time without having to chase people down. You have full control over all of your training material from one platform. So if you're ready to streamline your training material for your company or for any other compliance or professional issues, then click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial of ProProfs. Or if you're the type who wants someone to walk them through it so they can ask questions, click the second link to book a demo. But maybe you're a solopreneur or you're a creator and you watch this video out of curiosity and you're like, well, Corey, I don't have a team because I am the team. I'm the marketing department, the sales department. I cover everything. Then you want to make sure you check out this playlist about ChatGPT projects so that you can see how I'm using ChatGPT projects to build agentic workflows and get so much work done all by myself without hiring anyone. So click the link and check out this playlist right here. If you got value out of the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And as always, take care, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.